Hello everyone. Today we are going to practice one more program of our board program file. The question is you have to write a Python program to read a text file line by line and display each word separated by a hash. So children, it's clear here that you have to read a text file line by line. That means it contains number of lines. That means we take a list of strings for writing data into a file. So first we declare a list of string like that. India is great. Welcome to India. And one more string, Mera Bharat Mahan. Selection, Mera Bharat Mahan. Now we are going to write this string into a file. For this, firstly we have to open the file in write mode. F is equal to open sample.txt. Open it in write mode. After opening it, we have to write this data, this list of string into a file, into a text file with the help of writeLine function. F.writelines s. Now we are going to close the file because our write operation are performed here. Now open the file in read mode for reading the data from the file. F is equal to open sample.txt. Open it in read mode. After opening it, you have to read the data from the file like this. T is equal to F dot read lines. That means T is contains the list of string. We use read lines function here because we have to read the number of strings here that will be stored in the form of a list. That is list of the string. So we make use of read lines function here. So it is stored in T. The data type of T is list of the string. From this list of string, we take one string at a time. Like this with the help of for loop for I in T. That means from this list of string at a time, at each iteration, I contain a single list like this. Suppose firstly I contain India is great. Now what we have to do, children? Firstly we will split this string into a separate word with the help of split function like this. J is equal to I dot split. And we know very well with the help of split function, the string is splitted out in the form of words, and these words are stored in the form of a list like this. J contain the string in the form of a list and each word is the element of the list. That means J0, zeroth index, J0 contains India, J1 contain is and J2 contain India. Great. So what we have to do, children? Firstly, we have to iterate this list one by one. We take the word and we print it, and after the word we have to print the hash sign. So what we have to do? We have to iterate this list with the help of for k in range, and up to what we have to traverse? Up to the length of the string, that is the j, that is the length of j. Up to that point we have to iterate. Now what we have to do? We have to print the list index, the element of the list present at kth index. Firstly k contains 0, after that 1, after that 2. So we have to print j, k, and after the word we have to put the hash sign. We can also put it with the help of print hash, but in this it will print India hash is hash in the one another line. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to insert it with the help of AND argument. AND is equal to hash. In this way, first line is completely displayed. by differentiating the word with the help of hash symbol. After that it will take second line, it will display in the same manner. In this way the whole content of the text file display by displaying each word separated by a hash. After that we will close the file. When you run the program, then the output of the following program will become in the following manner like this. India hash is hash great hash welcome hash to hash India hash मेरा hash भारत hash महान hash. So children, you have noticed here each word is separated by hash here. I hope you understand this program very well. We will practice some more other program in our later videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.